It's never been this shiny, ever.
So today, what I want to do for you is give you a few of my kind of professional hairdresser top tips to get the ultimate glass hair. So let's wash it, and then I'm going to show you application.
So excited.
This is going to be awesome. First top tip is the amount you use of dreamcoat. I know you're doing a pretty good job with it, but this might actually surprise you. When we say saturate from root to tip, we mean saturate from root to tip.
I thought I was using a lot, but I clearly am not using enough.
You can really go to town with it, and afterwards, you're going to see the results. And actually, you're going to feel the results as well, because it's going to build in humidity protection for up to 3 to 4 washes in your hair. That's how cool it is.
Oh, that's amazing.
I love it.
I'm obsessed.
Can't get enough dreamcoat, right? Fully saturated. So now what I'm going to do is grab my brush and my dryer and show you the next step. So the key thing is now heat and tension. Watch and learn, Gabby.
It's so shiny! My God. It's competing with my highlighter. This feels like my silk pillowcase, actually. That is unreal. My hair has never been this shiny in my entire life. I think I could check my reflection in my hair.
Go. Slay.
Look at that! Are you kidding?
So using dreamcoat, this is how you do it the right way to get that sick glass hair.